Christine Renee here. I wanted to come on and let you know about a workshop that we have coming up called Chakra Awareness for Business Success. Now, I know we all are in a little bit of pandemic burnout, Zoom meeting burnout. And so I wanted to do this workshop, this girl, a little bit differently. A little bit differently than normal, because I could just come on and spew chakra information and spew business stories and how you can change your business when it comes to understanding your chakras and business. And, originally I was like, yeah, that will be great. And then, I sat with it for a little while and I was like, you know what? We need to have some more fun and play, and we can do this in business. I think one of the things that I see often happen is that when we think business, we think struggle, we think that it's going to be hard, we don't think it's draining, that we don't want to do it. And I want to turn that mindset around. I really want to show you how getting in tune with yourself and what your strengths are, and knowing and understanding what your weaknesses are, how it can benefit your business, how you can then learn how to delegate those pieces that aren't your strong suit. And so this Chakra Awareness for Business Success workshop is going to be a 4-hour class that's going to be really feeling and moving into the 4 primary elements. So earth, fire, water, air, and really embodying that. So we're going to have some movement. We're going to have some play with these. We're going to really feel into those elements and how they benefit our business and how they help us thrive, and noticing which of those elements and in which chakras are they least engaged in. So this is going to be a fun exercise. There's going to be journaling. There's still going to be the chakra wisdom. There's still going to be this really understanding the knowledge, know-how, but we're going to add this flair of understanding it from a different way and a different light, because we're energy workers, we're light workers, and we need to be able to step into business with this foot forward going, we are going to approach business differently. We are going to use our strengths, and that being intuition, that being sensitive and knowing and feeling into and going, what is our unique gifts? How can we shine our light in our own unique way and really still thrive and be successful when it comes to the actual business portion? And so that's the heart of what this class is going to be on. And really excited. We're going to just do this 4-hour workshop. We're going to have a 30-minute break in between our 2 parts. You can check it out on my Chakra Awareness for Business Success page. And we're really excited. We're going to be doing it for $100 on November 21st, Saturday afternoon. So if you want to come play with me, if you want to start exploring the elements, the chakras, and how those are supporting you in your business, and where you can step into and engage these other elements and chakras so that you can be fully expressive in your capacity as a business owner, as an entrepreneur. Love, love, love for you guys to come join me. Please let me know if you have any questions. Reach out and I'm happy to support you. Love and light all. I'll talk to you soon.